November 11th, 2024. A day that began like any other. Millions boarded planes, families went on vacation, business deals were struck at 30,000 feet, then at precisely 1400 GMT it stopped. All of it. From the crowded skies over New York City to the lonely air routes over the Pacific, every plane went silent. Not a crash, not an explosion, just an eerie, sudden quiet. Air traffic control towers, once bustling with activity, became tombs of unanswered calls and flickering radar screens. Confusion quickly shifted to panic. Was it a terrorist attack? A global EMP burst? No one knew. What everyone did know, however, was that the world had changed, irrevocably. In the days that followed, the mystery deepened. Thousands of commercial airline pilots, seasoned veterans with impeccable records, resigned. No explanations, no severance packages, just a mass exodus from the cockpit. Rumors swirled.
Some whispered of a catastrophic near miss, a cosmic event witnessed by pilots alone. Others spoke of a virus, a mental contagion spreading through the ranks. Whatever the reason, the message was clear. They knew something we didn't.
This mass resignation only fueled the growing paranoia. The silence from authorities was deafening. Then came the construction. At first they were dismissed as temporary structures erected to manage the stranded passengers, but these were no refugee camps. These were fortresses. Built around major airports, these structures were heavily guarded, their true purpose shrouded in secrecy. Whispers spread among airport workers, hushed conversations about strange lights, muffled screams, and unmarked vehicles coming and going at odd hours.
One baggage handler, a man named Thomas Miller, worked up the courage to speak out. He claimed to have witnessed heavily armed soldiers escorting people in orange jumpsuits. His story, dismissed by the media as the ramblings of a desperate man, quickly disappeared. Thomas Miller disappeared shortly after.
The mystery only deepened, leaving everyone to wonder what truly lay behind those fortified walls. Section 4. A world gone quiet. The impact of the silent skies was catastrophic. Global trade ground to a halt. Supply chains collapsed. Food shortages and civil unrest became commonplace. The interconnected world, once a symbol of progress, was crumbling before our eyes. We were told it was temporary, that alternative solutions were being explored. But as weeks turned into months, a chilling truth began to dawn. This was the new normal. The world had become eerily quiet. Gone was the roar of jet engines overhead, replaced by an unsettling stillness. It was the silence of a world holding its breath, bracing for what was to come. Section 5. The New World Order. In the absence of flights, a new world order began to emerge. Borders closed, countries became isolated, and those in power tightened their grip. The free flow of information, once taken for granted, was replaced with carefully curated narratives. The official story, a global technical glitch, was flimsy at best, but with no flights, no independent verification, and a media cowed into submission, it was the only story.
But the truth, like a whisper in the wind, was hard to silence. It lived on in the hushed conversations, the furtive glances, the shared articles hidden behind paywalls and encrypted messages. It lived on in the hearts of those who refused to believe the official narrative.
Section 6. Break the silence. This is a call to action. The silence of the skies is a message that something is deeply wrong. Don't let them silence the truth. Share this story. Ask questions, demand answers. Our world changed on November 11th, 2024, but the fight for our future starts now.
The truth is out there, hidden in plain sight. We just need to open our eyes and listen. Listen to the silence. It speaks volumes.